My brother-in-law's skinnier, so your car's gonna probably either get more grip and be slower. You can't win.
Doesn't matter. Any track day's a fun day.
Alright guys, so a few months ago we done a feature on Andrew Vera's K20. I'll put a link down this video. And I've been in it, it's really quick. So this is my first time being on this track. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna be. It's gonna be pretty fun. Gonna get the engine warmed up, get the tires going. It's starting to get hot. Bro, honestly, from when we drove, like when I drove it,
it's on the street. Oh shit. Don't worry. End of the year, Wakefield, bro. I'm coming for Daniel Reedy, no worry.
100%.
Coming for his ad. They're not a straight line car, they're a handling car. And this is shit tires. You gotta remember, these are only 205 wide.
Bro, it is, compared to the street,
Completely different.
and you know, being a K series, I thought it's gonna be way too heavy, like at the front. Bro, honestly, my brain couldn't comprehend, like, why is this car just, it's just hauling ass, bro, from the braking, from turning, the power, like it's, bro, I understand, like,
Honda, brother.
like straight line speed, like it was quick.
Yeah.
But going around these corners, bro, I'm like, this thing is hauling ass, bro. Andrew, bro. Who says you need big power, bro? Honestly, it's far.
It's all about fun. It's all about the feels. It's about the nimble.
I got pins and needles, bro. It's good. It's good. It's just because your brain's like, all right, you need to start braking now. But as soon as you hit the brakes, bro, you could feel that the car like instantly grabs. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's not, you know.
These are single pot brakes.
Yeah. So imagine if you upgraded those.
Right. Imagine you got better brakes, better tires, alignment, all that shit.
Yeah.
You go heaps faster than this. So yeah.
It's a fun car, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Oh.